I can't believe I made 20 liters of multi-purpose liquid soap for just 6,000 naira, and this would last me for months, and it's so easy to make. I saw this on Rafiat's page months back and I've been so bent on making it. I'm going to list every single thing I use in my caption and also directions because it's quite difficult to fit everything in this video. Or if you want a more detailed video, click the link on my bio to watch it on my YouTube channel. You can get all the ingredients you need from any chemical shop around you. So basically, the first thing you need to do is to get 20 liters of water and dissolve 2 different ingredients in 2 liters each. And to the remaining 16 liters, you're going to add the rest of the ingredients, stirring it properly, and also the dissolved ingredients to the 16 liters. I added vegetable glycerin at the end. This would help soothe and calm the skin to prevent irritation and dryness. I left this covered for 24 hours so all the ingredients can settle in properly before storing, and my multi-purpose liquid soap is ready to use for dishes, cleaning, mopping, washing, and so on. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.